In today's fast-paced and constantly evolving architectural landscape, the integration of well-thought-out electrical house plans is crucial for any residential project. In Marathahalli, Bangalore, one of the bustling and rapidly growing suburbs, the demand for sophisticated residential electrical planning is on the rise. Scon Design India Private Ltd, a reputable firm in the field of architectural and interior design, has been at the forefront of delivering premium electrical house plans that cater to the modern needs of homeowners and developers in this vibrant city. A professionally crafted electrical house plan is a blueprint that outlines the electrical wiring, fixtures, and system layout for a new house or for renovations in an existing structure. It is an essential component of the overall design process, ensuring that all electrical systems are efficient, safe, and compliant with local codes and regulations. Scon Design India Private Ltd specializes in creating such intricate and detailed plans, which are not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing. In a city like Bangalore, where technology and innovation drive the housing market, Scon Design's electrical house plans are meticulously tailored to meet the specific requirements of each client. Their expertise in the domain allows them to design systems that incorporate the latest advancements in home automation, energy efficiency, and sustainability. Whether it's intelligent lighting systems, state-of-the-art security installations, or eco-friendly power solutions, Scon Design ensures that every aspect of the electrical infrastructure is accounted for. In the dynamic urban landscape of Marathahalli, Bangalore, the demand for meticulously planned residential spaces is ever increasing. A major component that dictates the functionality and safety of these spaces is the electrical house plan. Scon Design India Private Ltd, a prominent player in the architectural and design industry, understands the intricacies involved in creating such plans that not only meet the aesthetic requirements, but also adhere to the stringent electrical safety norms. An electrical house plan is a blueprint that outlines the electrical wiring, fixture placement, and systems integration within a house. It is an essential component of the overall architectural design and requires a high level of precision and expertise. Scon Design India Private Ltd specializes in crafting these plans with an emphasis on efficiency, sustainability, and user safety. Their approach to creating an electrical house plan involves a detailed assessment of the client's needs, lifestyle, and the specific demands of the residential structure. The professionals at Scon Design blend their deep understanding of electrical engineering with contemporary design principles to develop electrical house plans that are both functional and innovative. They ensure that every plan complies with local building codes and regulations.